talk more about the new strategies. Then we will be talking about the new redesign of Axone. Then we move on. Then I'll give the stage to Arno, the star of the event, talking about Cat AI and asking you some very important questions. So we can begin with Emmanuel.
Yeah.
Stage
But
is yours.
you don't want to start to introduce yourself, to tell us more about you, because people they don't know you.
I can. So I am the new project manager at Axone. I have joined recently, a month ago, because Marine is taking a new opportunity. So I am also working on I'm also an agile coach with a bit of techie background, and I'm trying to contribute to this project and make it even better, if possible. That's a very short introduction, but if you have any questions, I would like to answer.
Cool. So it's my turn, right? It's me now. You want me to
You're the
talk?
first. Break the ice.
What do you want me to say?
I want you to talk about the big announcement. What did we join? We joined some base camp, and what are we doing with
Yeah,
them now?
yeah. We already. I mean, 15 days ago, we already discussed about that we joined the Outlier Venture acceleration program, and based on the AI and crypto base camp. So this is very, very intense and very interesting acceleration program, and it's very useful for the project. The case is that it's a 12 weeks program, so that means that it will last till the mid-August. There were some question about the fact that we plan to launch the mainnet by the end of Q2. So obviously, due to this, we postponed the launch of the mainnet. And according to we still have a lot of job to be very accurate and very good, to be ready to launch everything properly, and to have a great launch, and particularly to be sure that the token will have a nice curve at the launch. It's very important for us to be ready. So we decided to take our time and to be ready to launch the mainnet by the end of the year, probably. Yeah, and also it's important for us. It's a one shot gun, so it's important for us to have the good momentum to launch it, to be definitely ready. I mean, already we have a quite, let's say, a small community, and we have to enhance it to launch the token in the best condition as possible. So this is what we are doing now, working hard with the Outlier Ventures. I have to say that the mentors and the workshops, they are very, very interesting in all the domain, all the topics, marketing, tokenomics. I mean, go to market. We can measure the whole job that left to do to be very, very good. I mean, to be excellent. I think that already we are good, but we need to be definitely excellent to launch the token in the best condition as possible.
What is your most exciting part about working with OE? What are you most looking forward to?
I mean, definitely, I'm passionate about marketing, and all the marketing advices regarding the go-to-market, the brand positioning. It's something, on one hand, it's very, very interesting, intellectually speaking, and on the other hand, I think it's very, very challenging for us, for Axone, because I mean, we are leading a very ambitious project, and when you have a very ambitious project, it's very, very hard to have the best brand positioning, to have the good marketing, because one of the difficulties that with Axone you can do many things, but it's important to be able to focus and to sharp our speeches and our brand positioning with that. And I think this is the most challenging. Yeah.
Yes, but I think we have very experienced mentors and people that are guiding us, like they know what they're doing, right?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. And this is very interesting.
Okay. And you were also working on the brand positioning with OV. Do you?
Yeah, there is a very good I mean, marketing mentors names Andy Lark. I mean, he's from Australia or New Zealand, I don't know, but somewhere far. And yeah, he's very very good regarding the all the brand positioning, and we are working very hard to definitely know to whom we are talking about, to who we are talking to, and yeah, this is a huge work.
Nice. Okay. Thank you, Emmanuel. If you guys have any questions, Emmanuel would be very happy to answer to you.
Yes, with pleasure.
Yes. Okay. Then I would invite Theo to the stage. Yes,
Hi
welcome. So
guys.
we'll
Yeah,
be announcing some new,
it's
we're working on some redesign, and Theo will tell you more about that.
yeah, I can do this. So Emmanuel, Julien is not available, or our communication man. So I will do the job. But yeah, we've been working on the branding of Axone. Or maybe I can share the screen. I think it's better. Go live. Wow, interface. You see?
Yes.
So yeah, the Axone branding. So it looks like this now. So it's it's way more, let's say, clean in our opinion. Um, we wanted to do something, yeah, pretty. I mean, I'm not an expert in branding. I don't know the technical terms, but it looks good. It looks good. That's what matters.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah. To make it clean, and so you see, it's more like we we went from a lot of grids and a lot of colors to, let's say, more simplistic tones with
Mhm.
blurs and arrows and this kind of shapes. So it's same it's techy and it's clean. So that's what matters, to share anything under any conditions, to build new things. And
Yeah, if I may add, it was very very important to be as light as possible to let the people be able to express themselves and to let the builders do what they want, because I mean we are a protocol, we are not like an application or a platform where it's very important to have a very heavy and very strong brand positioning. And on the other side, for us, it's very important to have a good brand positioning and to let the people be able to create what they want and to express themselves and to not be so heavy. So it's on this that the designer worked. And
yeah, and
Yeah.
also we're working as well on a new pitch deck. So I don't know if I should present it here, but maybe quickly,
yeah, it's good.
because we I mean we've kind of stopped the let's say the outreach to investors. We're working on the, let's say, the fundamentals, and and the deck is a part of it, and the documentation is very important. So yes, we have this cool deck with our thesis, the clean problem we solve, and basically an explanation of the solution and how it works. So I mean, if any one of you want, we are definitely open, and we can share it to anyone who is interested in, I mean, just checking in, or maybe forward it to other potential investors would be awesome. But we'll open that, I mean, the outreach in the next coming weeks. And yeah, maybe maybe you've also seen the new website. Maybe have you can still see my screen, or
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
nice.
Cute picture.
So it's laggy because yeah, I don't have a
Okay, we're patient.
yeah, I don't have the computer for streaming purposes. But yeah, the new website looks like this, so it's again coherent with the branding.
Yeah, and
Coming
it's
soon.
not the definitive website. We are working now with a web designer. So this is like, let's say, just the first landing page to be according to the new image. But there is a designer who is working now, and probably in 3-4 weeks we'll be able to have a brand new internet site. And
Okay.
I don't know, Anya, because there are some questions on the
Yeah,
chat.
yeah, well, I was
We can answer.
yeah, yeah, we will. I was just waiting for Theo to finish. But
Okay.
thank you, Theo. I don't think we felt that Julien was missing. You were like so professional. You
Wow.
could take his job easily.
No,
Thank
that's
you for
not true.
jumping in.
Oh, we make
Yes,
some savings. So
yeah. If we need to, yes, now we know you are like having multi roles in here. Okay, so there are some questions in the chat that we could answer before giving the floor to the star of the event. So, Emmanuel, do you maybe want to answer Robert's question?
yeah.
Asking, do we have
So
go?
yeah, I mean, we have let's say 95% of the fund we need to reach the end of 2024, according to the budget that we want to expand regarding the marketing and so on. So the fact is that we are still raising funds, and I hope that before the end of the year, anyway, we will raise 2 or 3 more millions. The case is that our concern is rather to constitute some stocks and reserve for the beer market to come. So that means that it's very important for us to have enough cash to live, at least to be able to develop what we want to develop for the next 2 cycles. And this one, it seems that this cycle didn't start yet, so so we want to have as much money as possible. So so definitely we are okay for 2024. And regarding 2025, the budget, I mean, we still need 50% of the budget for 2025. Our budget for 2025 will be 2 million, a little bit less than 2 million euro for the association. When I'm talking about the budget, I'm talking about the budget of the association, which is the entity who is leading and managing the development of the project. So yeah, we need 50% more to reach this 2 million to be able to have the complete budget of 2025.
Okay.
Uh,
Thank you. So not to miss any questions, I can read the next one. It's also from Robert. Or did you finish? Sorry.
Yeah, finished. I hope I answered to your question, Robert. And I mean, I am in contact with Robert on Telegram, so I will be able to send you more details on DM.
Okay, then the next question about Outlier Ventures Basecamp. Is it more challenging than you had expected? And how is the team handling the new challenges?
Theo, maybe you want to answer to this question because I'm talking too much.
Oh, we were ready. We were ready to be challenged. I mean, that's the purpose. Maybe we underestimated them. I mean, when we joined, we were thinking, oh yeah, it's just another bootcamp, and it's gonna be very high level and not that many things. But actually, it's very one-on-one, and there are many. I mean, yeah, there are many people on the team, and a lot of them are very experienced and have very good feedback. So we have a lot of different diversity of people who challenge us. A lot of diversity, even of outsiders, of outside outlier ventures, and it's always, yeah, every day we have new people that hear about the project and have different questions and different insights. So I mean, yeah, definitely very insightful. And so yeah, we're surprised in the good sense that we are challenged, and it's not. I mean, it's not too much. It's definitely. I mean, we it's the best moment to be challenged. It's always the best moment to be challenged, but I don't think that it's possible to be enough challenged.
It's continuous learning. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, then another question. Are Fetch AI and Ocean Protocol supporting us?
I mean, today we learned that they were kind of indirect investors to the project. So it's like they because Outlier invested in Axone, and they have a part of I don't know if I'm supposed to say this, but yeah,
Yeah. I think the case is that because I think it will be announced officially within 1 week. um, uh, Sometimes for this kind of base camp, Outlayer Venture is proposing some partnerships with a project or other funds and so on, and these partners are investing to Outlayer to allow that Outlayer is investing in the project of the court. So in that time, it was maybe a little bit delayed, and so Fetch AI was already in the as a partner. Ocean also, and now Singularity DAO also joined. So that means that the alliance, the global alliance, joined let's say the partnership of the cohort. So all these projects invest in the fund of Outlier to allow Outlier to invest in our projects. So let's say that it's indirect investment. And for sure, regarding so this is for the cash, but for the mentoring and for everything, I mean, definitely they are supporting us. We have already meetings with guys from Ocean. We will have meetings with we had a very good workshop with the founder of Fetch AI, Humanu. I don't remember exactly his name. I will find it. Do you remember his name, Theo?
No, I'm sorry. I can search for it.
So because he's a very important guy. It's Umayun Sheikh, and he's the founder of HAI. And yeah, he presented us a great workshop. He gave us a lot of hints and advisors and advisors. And yeah, it was very interesting. And we have meetings with the guys from the BD guy from Ocean and SingularityNet.
Nice. Thank you for the answers. And then another important question. Do you, Emmanuel, like the new logo and the new landing page of the Axone website?
If I like the new logo and the landing page?
Yeah.
No, Robert ask if all the guys ask like it, and I think, yeah,
Okay,
I
but
think
I
we
ask
we had
first. Go first, and then I'll ask others.
of course I like it. I mean,
Mm.
it was a process for us to change the name, to change the logo, because we had the habit, with the there is still some icons and some emojis of druids. So on one hand, these druids and these runes and this image will always be in my heart, but we have to go on, and I mean, change is good sometimes.
Yes. And you, Theo, do you like the new page and
Of
the
course I
logo?
do. Yeah.
Yeah. The new brand specialist, marketing specialist. Yeah.
Come on.
Yes. Okay. And one more question. Are you guys going to have a speak at Nebular Summit?
So we're not sponsors this year, because I mean we wanted to focus on what we thought were most important things. But I mean it's not out of the scope yet. Maybe Sebastian will give us a spot. I don't know, but it's not planned. So I mean it's not planned. We will be there. We'll be there with Arno and Chris. So happy to meet you if anyone is there. But we probably won't be speakers. We will be maybe looking for investors, but we'll see.
Yes. Okay.
Cool. Happy to see you there. Happy.
And yeah, so there's some people that will be there. That's cool.
And the French team. Enigma,
Nice.
the French friend.
And then I think somebody missed your talking from the beginning about the mainnet roadmap. So maybe, Emmanuel, could you repeat what you said?
Yeah, sure. So as I said, due to the fact that we are working on the court with OV, and it will be finished by, let's say, mid-August, we plan to have a launch before the end of the year, and probably November, December, yeah, around this, the time to set up all what we have to, and and to also have the good momentum.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Then I give the stage to the star of the event, also known as Arno, who will be talking to us about KTI.
Yeah, you shouldn't talk to me about, as a star because it's too much pressure that I can manage. But
No, you can.
about Cat AI, so this is the first collaborative AI project running on Axone, and we are in the current sprint. It's the third sprint, and it will be finished by the end of today. We have a lot of contributions. I think we have almost 300 contributors. So if you want to contribute, you still have some time. And we made some changes on the website actually, because you can now see the different addresses that contributed to all the past sprints, and you can also see the generated images of cats using the trained models. So that's some good news. And for the next sprint is coming.
And I think we added a new feature on the website. Now we have the roadmap. Have you noticed? It's a brand new feature from today.
Yes, you can see, yeah. You can see on the Cat AI website the roadmap of the next feature we will add on the Cat AI project. So as you know, we use Cat AI as a demonstrator and also as a tool to guide us when developing the protocol and also developing the SDK that is used to develop connectors to integrate technologies into the protocol. And so the roadmap is made to guide the development on Cat AI and also the connector SDK. So you may see that on the roadmap, we will provide connectors to allow anyone to share centralized storage with the protocol. And the next step will be to provide decentralized storage like Acache, decentralized computing, decentralized storage like Jackal, sorry, decentralized computing like Acache and so on. So we will update the roadmap as it will go as it goes.
Nice. Thank
Maybe
you, Arno.
because I cannot share my screen. Maybe Anya or Arno, you can share your screen to show the new features of the internet site of KTI.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Can you share your screen, Anya?
Because I cannot share my screen either. I'm not authorized.
Let me try. Can you see?
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, so it works. Good to know. Yeah, so this is our KTI website. I hope you have all seen it already. The Sprint 3 is coming. Is it next week, Arno?
Yeah, it will be announced soon. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's not working. I don't see the internet site yet.
Oh,
You don't see my shared screen?
No.
Can you, Arno, see it?
I see it. Yeah.
Oh yes. Okay. So it's me. It's my connection is very bad. Okay. Sorry.
Yes, so the new feature is right here. We have the roadmap. So first what's coming is the centralized storage, decentralized storage, then centralized computation, then decentralized computation. Then we will introduce some governance tokens, and then in the end you could finally monetize your resources and creations. This is the plan. So this is the whole website. You can check it out. Maybe you could share the link in the chat, or I can do it for people to see it easier. Yes. Have any questions? Arno will be very happy to answer. Yeah, so Arno, want to answer this question? Who is choosing the prompts, Arno?
I think it's Julien, but I didn't have the chance to propose a prompt, so I hope the next sprint will be one of my creation.
I think Matthew also proposed the prompt, the last prompt.
The last one was Matthew, yeah.
And the first one was Julien. So I think we can even make a competition. Who's the funniest in the end? Yes. And another question, are there any other plans to build on and use the protocol?
Yeah, I mean, I think that Cat AI is the sandbox and a playground to explore the different features of the protocol. But the idea is that we provide through Cat AI some connectors that are reusable by anyone. So the Cat AI collaborative model can be duplicated and replicated by anyone. That's the idea. And yeah, to explore the new features we can bring to the protocol and to allow anyone to duplicate this kind of collaborative work.
Nice, thank you. Okay, do we have any other questions or points you would like to share? Silence, nobody.
No, I think it was pretty good. The case that I mean, just to have in mind that we have an AMA every 15 days now. We try to keep this rhythm, and don't hesitate to invite people of your community or around you. It's always a pleasure to have more people and to be able to I mean meet other guys and to enhance the community. Oh, there is Robert who is asking what happened to Marie.
She's hiding.
She's hiding. I mean, Marin, she's still the vice president of the association, but now it was almost 6 years that she was working with us in the project. Actually, it was her first job, and it was important for her and for her career to be able to go to see elsewhere, and I think also it was good. And so she had an opportunity, and she went for another job, because that she's still a member of the co-founders, and she's still a vice president of the association, but now she's not operational anymore.
We didn't let her go completely. We're still,
Yeah.
we didn't, we still need her. Yes.
And yeah, normally I think Gabriel, I hope that Gabriel, you are recording the AMA to be able to share it and to have the replay. This is what we try to do, and we try to send it through the Discord channel. Oh, for sure. Thank you, Gabriel.
Good. You remembered on time at the end to remind you. Okay, well then, if there are no other questions, should we close or some ending words?
Just I would like to ask Arno if he can describe because we are talking about the connector SDK, we are talking about the connectors and how it is important, how these features are important for the protocol, and how then it can be used and so on. Maybe Arno, if you can delve on this.
Yeah, I mean, the protocol is nothing without the external resources. So we really need to develop connectors and to bring external resources into the protocol so that the protocol can orchestrate them, so that people can contribute to create collaborative AI. So that's really important to develop connectors, and it's also really important, and that's our responsibility to provide an SDK that is really simple to use, so that anyone is able to create new connectors for new technologies and so on. And for that, we need also to provide a good documentation. And we currently are working on a rework of the documentation because it's not really great. So if some of you guys have some feedbacks you want to give to us about the current documentation or some advice, and maybe some things you want to see explained on the documentation, please don't hesitate. It will be really relevant to us because we need to provide a good SDK, but we need also to provide a good documentation as well. So that people and builders can build on top of the SDK and the protocol. So yeah, I think the power of the protocol will really will rely on the different connectors we have and the different resources we are able to share with the protocols through those connectors. So this is really critical, a key point, this connector SDK and the documentation.
So this was Arno's call to action for all of you to help us give us feedback on our documentation so we can make it better.
Happy asked a question regarding the impact when the switch was made from OKP4 to Axone. Arno?
I see.
Yeah, a lot of impact, yeah, because we renamed the repository. We migrated the OKP4D repository that contains the blockchain code base. We migrated it to another GitHub organization, which is branded Axone Protocol, and we also renamed this repository to match the brand name. There were also some changes about the binary name, the addresses prefix, the token also. So and all the Go language packages name contained previously OKP4. So we needed to switch to Axone. So there, yeah, we made a lot of changes to match the brand, the new brand. So I hope we will not rebrand again. But yeah, a lot of changes, and yeah, but that's almost done.
Okay. And you mentioned the testnet. We have still to do that. That's also
Yeah, I mean the testnet, the actual testnet is still running the old binary with the old OKP4 brand. And so at some point we will need to start another testnet before the mainnet. So we will have the latest changes and also the new brand on the testnet. But we will keep you informed about that.
And Robert, I'm sorry, Anya.
You can take over, it's okay. So there is the first question from Robert asking if we could maybe compile all of our docs into a single PDF. That would be a very big PDF, no?
Yeah, that would be a really big PDF, and I'm not sure that's the best way to provide documentation, because there is documentation we provide to a different kind of personas. So, but maybe you provide PDF for those different documentation.
We're talking about the white paper for starters, so that would be one step. Let's see if we manage to make it shorter. Why not?
Theo, when white paper?
Soon.
White paper boy. Yes. Okay, then
cool.
are there? Okay, so yes, there's the question about the white paper.
No, the white paper will come. I mean, the PDF version can only come right before the mainnet, because we have a lot of things that are changing even today. I mean, even the tokenomics, whenever we discuss with investors and the strategy, things are changing. So we can't set in stone in a PDF and having floating around the internet while it's not. It can't be updated live. So we need to be. It needs to be the version right before the mainnet. So the white paper in like public PDF v1 will be published by when the mainnet launches.
Thank you, Theo. Nice. I see there are some questions incoming. People are typing, so buckle up. Yes, we just have so many documents right now. We're working on restructuring. We're gonna we're gonna make them shorter, I hope, and more higher quality, and then it's gonna be easier to compile everything in one. Oh, too bad. I was hoping it was a question. It's okay. It's all right. I will forgive you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
for
Thomas,
joining.
for being here. It's very precious to have you on board.
Yes, we were happy to have you. Go feed the kids. Yes. Okay, then if there are no questions, then
Yeah, there is Happy who asked for the next testnet for Axone
oh
to be
no, I
shorter.
didn't see that. Oops, sorry. But okay, who wants to answer the question?
Yeah, I can. From my point of view, the next testnet should be long-term and not short-term because it's true that we already tested a lot of aspects of the protocol with the current one. But for the next evolution of the protocol, we will need a testnet to test them before going on the mainnet. So I think the next one will last in parallel of the mainnet. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so we're having the first note missed. Nice.
So it was a good one.
Yep.
I think so.
Thank you very much for being here with us. I mean, Robert, your feedbacks and remarks are always very welcome and very useful for us. Happy and the guys from CNO, it's very interesting to have you also. Thank you, Trix. Thank you, Younglist, also for being here, and Enigma also. I will not be in Brussels, but I'm sure that you will have a beer for me and with the guys. So hope to see you. I mean, next AMA within 15 days. I mean, probably it will be during the ETHCC, and so maybe like that, you can have a beer and cheers with us.
Yes, you can be on stage with Arno there and
Yes,
then
yes.
say hi. Yes, that will be fun.
So
Nice.
thank you, everyone. Thank you for being here, and talk to you soon. And
Thank
thank
you.
you, Arno. Thank you, Theo. Thank you very much, Anya.
Thank
No
you,
problem.
everyone.
Okay.
Good job,
Bye bye,
Anya.
everyone.
Thank you, guys. See you. Have a nice evening.
See you.